Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited. I am going to be doing, finally I got my, first of all, finally I got my color in the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. God, that thing is so hard and long to pronounce. But yes, I finally got my color, so today I'm going to be using that. I got two new Radiant Creamy Concealers that I'm going to be using. I used to use Caramel, but I'm trying two new ones today. And I will be reviewing. I got another one, guys. The new Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Ambition Palette. So I'm so excited to be doing this video with you guys. So without further ado, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You want to go ahead, be a part of the family. There's always room. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you know when I upload more videos, okay? So I'm also going to be uploading a video on how I got this quick I guess wash and go. Yeah, it's kind of wash and go. Not really a wash and go. It's kind of like a wash and diffuse because I did use a diffuser. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this look. So excited. And then after I do the look, you will see my comments and my final thoughts at the end. All right, guys, let's go. All right, so I am going to be going in with Caracas in the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I'm just going to mix this up really well. I'm going to apply it to my buffing brush. So I'm just going to put a couple of pumps. Much better. It looks good on film, even though I still feel like it's still a little, just a tad bit too red for my liking. But we're gonna correct that when we highlight anyways. The finish is really, really nice. Because you guys know I'm doing this spring look, I have been wanting a very natural, soft finish for my foundation, and I am loving the coverage and the finish that it's giving me. Alright, so going in with concealers, I am going to be using two of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealers. One in Sucre d'Orge and the other one in Biscuit. One is a nice yellow base concealer and one is a red base. So I am going to be mixing the two. Let's see how that works. This is the color Biscuit. Now I'm going to go in with Sucre d'Orge. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but whatever. And I'm going to go in with the beauty sponge and I'm going to blend this out. So now going back in with my foundation brush, I'm going to just buff out the edges. Now I'm going to contour my nose with, of course, Black Opal Hazelnut, but I'm going to be using a different contour, well, a different product to contour the rest of my face, but I'm going to do a cream for my nose. So I'm contouring my nose like into a V instead of going straight down. And I'm doing that because it gives the nose a more slender instead of just like one straight, I don't know, instead of a block nose, it makes the nose actually come to a point. It looks a little weird now, but when I'm done, you'll see. Alright, so I am going to be using a foundation by Face Atelier. This is in number 11. I'm going to use this to contour. I like this foundation. It has just a little bit of gray. It just gives it a more natural look. I don't like my contours to be red. I like a dry, dark brown, and this gives me what I'm looking for, and it's more natural. So this is the color. And so we are going to go, it's going to go around the face. Alright, so now I'm going to blend with this brush, and I'm going to blend up. Just small strokes. See, as you see, the contour isn't like, it isn't that red color. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, and I'm going to marry everything together. Alright, so now I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier. Alright guys, so I did my brows off camera, and now let's get into the meat of this video. So this look is part 2. This is number 2 of our spring series, and we are going to get into this look. So today I'll be using the Pat McGrath, the Mothership Sublime Bronze Ambition palette. So this palette, I got it at Sephora. I think this retails for about $55, and then I used my Rouge coupon, so I got 15% off. And I swatched it. At first I wasn't going to get it until I went and messed around and swatched the dang thing in Sephora. And the colors are amazing. Ugh. You can see it there. Like, I'm gonna put a picture of the swatch that I did, and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's just get this started. So I am going to go in with throwing shade, and we're gonna throw that shade right into my crease. I'm gonna use that as my crease color. Like I said, this is gonna be a very soft look, and yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Illicit. That color looks like that's going to have a lot of fallout. So, you know what? Let's just prep under the eye. I am not trying to get embarrassed today. Okay, if you guys see how this, I don't want to. See that? So that dark color has a lot of fallout already from just getting into it. So I don't want that to transfer onto my eye. So I'm just going to concentrate that into the outer V. No fallout under the eye though. So that's a good thing. No fallout under the eye, but I'm making sure to tap off that excess. All right, so next I am going to go in with the color, I'm gonna do Copperized, which is this color right here. I'm just gonna sweep that into Illicit. Oh, look at that. Oh, honey. Yeah, Polly. Yes, honey. Yes, 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 and yes. Such a beautiful color. So sweeping that in. Then we're just gonna blend. Actually just wet my brush so that when I blend, the color doesn't move. Alright, so now I am going to go in with Gold Rush, which is that true gold color in the inner V. Actually, I'm gonna go over that with Guilt Trip because it's not giving me the look that I want. So let's use Guilt Trip. Much better. Alright, I just feel like these colors are like they're getting lost when I blend. I don't know. Anyways, whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna use a MAC pencil to line my upper lash line. This is Blunt by MAC. And so you guys know I like to layer. I like to layer my my highlight. I like to use different colors to build a look. So I think I am going to go in with Gold Deposit, keeping it in tune with the color of the eyes. So this is Gold Deposit by MAC. Then I am going to go in with Fenty Beauty Moscow Mule. So I'm going to go in with the highlight color. Just tap that in the center. And then another Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I am going to take a small blending brush and hit the high points of that highlight. Trophy Wife on its own may be too much, but it blends so beautifully with other colors. Amazing. Alright, and I am going to go in with Lovejoy as my blush color. This is also by MAC. And then let's spray. I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright, so my lashes are on. Now on to the lips. This lip combo, this is a Fashion Fair lip combo that I have been loving. And I am going to do it today. I don't think I've done it in any of my videos, so let's try it. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Cork Lip Liner by MAC. I'm going to line my lips. So I'm going in with this Fashion Fair lip color called Lace. It is, let's see, what's the name on this thing? Lip Teasers. So this is a nice nude color. I love this color. It is so flesh toned. And then I'm going to go over it with Tantalize, which is their lip gloss. This is also Fashion Fair. It's like a berryish color. So let me go finish my hair and we'll be back with my final thoughts. Alright guys, so my hair is done. I just put some Anjaki's no shrink gel in it and use the diffuser to get it to stand up a little bit. So about this look, the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, I really like it. It's been about an hour or so since I've had it on. And I just like the beautiful, the soft skin-like finish that it gives. I'll have to test it out a little bit more because it is nighttime, but I'll have to test it out a little bit more to see how long it does wear. But as far as the finish goes, this would be something that I reach for this summer. Since it's springtime now, this spring and this summer, I want something nice, something light. And I love the way it looks. Yeah, so that mixed with the Radiant Creamy Concealer, I think is it gives a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful finish. I really like it. On to the palette. You guys, I wanted so badly to like this Pat McGrath palette. I mean, this is the second palette that I've bought from her. And this is like this says, this is a Bronze Ambition palette. But as you can see on my eyes, the colors are they're not coming through. Like, this palette is $55, right? For 6 colors. I can use an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette for $42 with twice, almost 3 times the amount of colors and get so much more color payoff. And that's my struggle. It's like, I would not, like, this is not something that I would reach for. I probably won't even use this again, to be honest with you. I mean, you guys, look, you be the judge. Like, I worked so hard. I wet the brush, you know, put the color on. It went on. It swatches nice, like if you just need to sweep. And maybe this may be a color that I may have to use, like maybe use my fingers to apply. But when I applied it and when I tried to blend it, as I blend, the colors disappeared. So I don't know if I need to go in with the eyeshadow primer. I don't know what to do. But for $55 for 6 colors, these shadows should be able to stand on their own without any help. I mean, this is Pat McGrath here, right? So I would definitely, yeah, this is a no-go for me. I really, really, really wanted to like it, but it is what it is. Maybe it'll work for someone else. But as for me, it's a no-go. So, yeah. But other than that, you guys, oh, and for the lip, for this Fashion Fair lip teaser, this color in lace, look, I love this nude look. I'm looking at it in the monitor. I love this nude look, but let me tell you something. This thing, steady on my teeth, okay? Like, it's like even down here, like, I constantly have to freaking wipe my daggone lips. I mean, wipe my daggone teeth. So, yeah, but I love the nude color. And maybe that's why I don't reach for that so often, even though I love the way it comes out. I just don't reach for it often. But you guys, anyways, here's the final look, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.